Hey friends, if you wish to save a notepad file on your desktop computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Open a notepad file, okay? And let's say that you created a note here, test note or whatever you want to call it. Then click on file and select save as. And then you can go to desktop and you can save. But wait. When you save directly, you're saving a test file, okay? And when you open it from here, that's when it downloads. But this is not the only form in which you can save a notepad file, because the main purpose of saving a notepad file these days is to save codes. So click on file, select save as, change the file type to all files, and then you can select it in any format. For example, I can create an exe file and then I can click on save, and then it will save to the desktop as an exe file. Okay, now it's an exe file. Now it's not a word file. As you can see, it is an application file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.